So this is my Karizma Xmr210. Today I am going to lubricate my chain using gear oil, and I will be wiping it clean with a diesel soap cloth. So let's just lift the rail wheel from the floor. So I am going to use this oven cone to lift it up. Just like this. Tilt the bike. Just tilt the bike. Slide something under it. Now as you can see, the rear wheel is up from the ground. Now I can easily lubricate and clean my chain. Safety first. Lights. So I'm going to use diesel, gear oil and a cloth. Just rotate the wheel and just put some diesel on it. It's not very dirty. Just use some. If it is very dirty, then I will be giving it a thorough clean. Now I'm going to just soak this cloth in diesel, and I'm going to hold it like this, and just wipe the full length of the chain. This is a quick way of cleaning it when it is not very dirty. One thing which is very important: never to start your motorcycle and put it in gear and work on a running chain. You will definitely end up losing your finger or your thumb. You don't know how many thumbs and fingers have been lost while working on a running chain of a motorcycle. It will eventually eat it. If not today, then tomorrow it will bite your finger or thumb. Just flip the cloth around, hold it again. Use the other side of the cloth, put some more diesel. Now it is clean. There was little bit of rust on one or two of the links. That has also gone. The rust is also gone. So diesel will clean all the rust. Diesel, WD-40 and kerosene, everything is safe. You can use any cleaner also, but my go-to product is always diesel and gear oil. Clean everything, just clean it up. Now time to lubricate. This is my gear oil. So this is EP90. You can use EP140 also in summer, but EP90 will work all year. So just you have to target these O-rings. You just have to target these O-rings. Just find the master link from where you can start. Do it on both sides of ring, inside and outside. Just find a point to start. Now on the other side. You just have to put little bit of lube on it. It will go inside the O-rings, it will go on and settle on the O-rings. When the chain is very dirty, then you can give it a proper cleaning with diesel or whatever product you like. Lubrication helps in reducing the metal to metal friction and increase the parts the life of the chain and both the sprockets, and also it will give you a noise free ride. We cannot penetrate the O-rings. Just give it one more go on the rollers also. We cannot just penetrate the O-rings because O-ring is a seal which keeps the factory grease inside. So now we are done. Just give it a spin. So now I will wait for a few minutes. I will not shoot that part. After 10-15 minutes I will wipe off the excess chain lube which is falling down with the help of a newspaper or a old rag. So this is it. This is how I lubricate my motorcycle's chain. I hope my camera can catch a point of view video of that. Only little bit of lube is used. 1 liter pack can last you for more than 1 year. Thanks for watching. So now we have a perfectly clean and lube chain.